They need a flea bath.
Ooh, Sasha go. Goodness. Maybe I'll drip them off a little bit.
No. Yeah?
It's still like oil from their body.
Yeah. Hold it down. There you go. Baby, use this hand on this. There you go, like a gun. There you go. Advance. Advance. There you go.
So we went out and we got this washer from a crackhead for only $2.75. So thank you, crackhead. We appreciate the washer, don't we, baby?
Yeah.
This has our last washer didn't have all these settings. So oh, it actually does match our dryer pretty accurately.
Pretty good.
We've been out of a washer for like 2 weeks now, and I've got like 3 loads of laundry I need to do. So as soon as he gets it hooked up, we're doing laundry. Door open and they think they can just come in as they please. Alright, so before I do my load of laundry in my new washing machine, we got some soup from the Chinese restaurant. We're gonna have that for dinner. That's how you do that. But it says that sweet and sour soup that you get from the. She didn't even put the lid on right. Just that's what I be talking about. This is the shit I'm talking about. I'm getting ants. Ants everywhere. Everywhere I look, it's a goddamn ant. I don't know what they munching on. Before I go to bed, I'm gonna clean out the refrigerator. And that should be done within an hour. I'm gonna give myself an hour. And I'll be watching some, body cam footage. I've been watching a lot of body cam footage lately. Like police officer body cam footage. I'm like addicted to it, I can't stop. And like crime documentaries and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna watch some of that and then we're gonna clean out this fridge. I was supposed to do it last week, I didn't. But I'm gonna do it right now. So it's all good. My fridge, okay, let me say this before I show y'all my fridge. My fridge, I have no like rhyme or reason to my fridge right now, and that's why I'm fixing it, okay? So when I open the fridge and you see what's in there, don't judge me because I'm getting to it now. So what are you talking about? But yeah, as from now, I just stuff shit in there. Like I take something, I buy groceries and I just stuff it in there. There's no, like I said, rhyme or reason. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Cabbage falling apart, hot sauce cut under that. Oh my God. Okay. Well, like I said, I'm fixing it out. I don't even want to know what's in those bottom drawers. I don't even want to know. La la la. Fixing the fridge. Fixing the fridge. Can you see, girl? Can you see? on, man. Ah! Don't go in the compost. This girl I'm watching on the body cam footage is crazy. She's an insane person.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be cottage cheese, and it is pink inside. This is pink liquid. I don't know what the fuck this is. What is this?
Betty, come here. What is that? What is that green shit on my bacon? The fuck? Wow. Baby, I am recording. Oh God!
Oh my goodness, what is it talking about? This celery is like drying out, and then go ahead and juice it. I'm gonna do all that tomorrow. We're gonna juice all this shit tomorrow.
Lick it now, lick it good. Just got you.
Armor's no joke, man. Armor's a tough thing. What do you think?
What you gonna do with this big fat nut? Wiggle, wiggle.
What you gonna do with that big fat
Nut.
nuts? Goddamn. We don't go good. Get that dry loud! I don't know even know if this date sauce is good anymore.
Is it out?
Piss me off! I don't know if y'all saw the vlog I made this date sauce, but I didn't use enough of it. I'm gonna get some fresh dates and do it again. And like, because this was made with old dates. I have so much whipped strawberry. I have so many. I can't talk. I have so much whipped strawberry cream cheese. The thing is, Mr. Sir, when he goes shopping, he does not ask me what we already have. He just thinks, ooh, I want that, ooh, I want that, ooh, I want that, over and over and over again. So we have 3 huge containers of strawberry whipped cream cheese in the refrigerator now. Because he won't ask me. And he buys so much stuff we already had. You know how much Miracle Whip we have? We have a lot of Miracle Whip. Wasting money. March 2020 what? Okay, this is cleaned out. Now we're gonna add the sauces in. So bigger sauces are gonna go at the bottom. Actually, I think my most used sauces should go at the top. I use barbecue sauce, ketchup, mustard. Well, damn, I think that's it. I think that's all we got. Let's have a look. So we got the door all clean and organized, and we got the fridge all clean and organized. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. The vegetables are fresh and not rotten. Yeah! And we ain't got no sauces that we don't need. So we're good. Wait, what's that? I did it! I'm about to throw away all the stuff that I end up not needing, and then we're gonna call it a night. Yeah, we're gonna call it a night. We'll fold laundry tomorrow, bake some bread tomorrow, make some TikToks tomorrow. I got a stream tomorrow, and we have some winners from our art and fanfic competition on my Discord. They get a $25 gift card. I'll see you Monday. It's Monday. It's Monday and I woke up at 12 p.m. It's okay. We're still gonna get shit done. It don't even matter. We're not even gonna think about that. Alright? So today I plan on making 3 TikToks. 3 skit TikToks. That way I can post them throughout the week this week. We got a stream at 5 p.m. I'm playing the Backrooms with my friend. And what else are we doing today? I'm gonna do some meal prep for Mr. Sir. He's been wanting to save money and eat healthy. So I'm gonna make him some meal preps. I also need to eat. I can't forget I gotta eat. Yeah, the biggest thing I did this month is organize my fridge. Yeah, that's the plan. I think I'm gonna walk Sasha for a little bit. I'll get my blood pumping, get back. Actually, no, let me eat first, go walk Sasha. Come back. Actually, let me make the bed. God damn, my ADHD is bad, bitch. You know, all those dots are tacks from posters I used to have up, but I never took the tacks down. Right, we got dressed. Just wearing a ghetto t-shirt and some gray sweatpants. We're not doing too much today. Honestly, I don't know if it's just because I woke up, but does my face look different? I'm so scared. Because they say after 30, your face is going to change and you're not going to recognize yourself. You're going to be like, oh my God, I look older. I don't know if it's just because I woke up, but I think I look kind of crazy. Also, I didn't wash the mascara off my eyes last night. I don't know. We won't worry about that. Well, we won't worry about that. Okay? There's nothing wrong with aging. I gotta get that out of my head. Like in my head, I'm like, ah! Ah! It's okay, girl. Man, society, man.
Let's talk about it.
Society puts so much pressure on women aging. Because the system profits off of women being insecure and buying more products because, you know, the more insecure you are, the more products you consume. So, and I understand that. My head, you know, knows that. It's just a, you know, process of getting yourself in the right mindset. Because honestly, aging does not matter, right? I just got asked the other day when I was gonna have kids. And I'm like, I don't want to. When I was in my 20s, it seemed like more of an option. You know what I mean? Because it's like, you have time to think about it. Nobody, you know, it's not wrong to not have kids in your 20s. But as you get older, you're like, hold on. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. Time is slipping away from me. You know? So it's like, goddamn. I don't want to worry about that, man. I got so much other stuff I want to do with my life. You know? That's a look for today. Ain't doing too much. Doing too much of nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some oatmeal. Make a grocery list because I need some groceries. And make my TikToks. I think I'll probably be done around the time I need to start my stream. So, ooh, speaking of stream, let me go ahead and download the game first. See, I should have did that yesterday. Okay. So I did not make bread today. I'll make bread tomorrow. But I did, what did I do today? So I made 2 TikToks and then I streamed. And yeah. So now I'm about to meal prep for Mr. Sir. I got the bath going. I'm gonna make an oatmeal bath. I'm gonna use this sock, fill it up with old-fashioned oats, and then make an oatmeal bath for myself because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like winter's coming and like the colder, it's not cold yet, but any type of like weather shift, my skin reacts terribly. Like my skin gets super dry, super crazy, weird. So I'm gonna make an oatmeal bath and that's gonna kind of like moisturize my skin apparently. Like it feeds your skin good shit. That's what I heard, bro. When you make an oatmeal bath, you want to use old-fashioned oats, okay? If you use like the 5-minute oats and stuff like that, it's gonna turn like what's that word? It's gonna turn like gruely, you know what I mean? Like a porridge inside. You don't want that. You want it to keep its form.
I don't think I know what I'm talking about.
How the fuck? Oh wait, let me see something. Maybe I can put this over that. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at my smart self. I don't need too much now. I feel about that much. There we go. This is one of Mr. Sir's old socks, so I'm gonna tie this into a knot. And just put that in the bath water. See that? It's gonna get all milky. As of now, sorry, I got my jeans out because I don't dry my jeans. I feel like when I dry my jeans, they get really stretchy and weird. So I air dry my jeans. That's why they're right there. For now, we're just gonna meal prep salads. Tomorrow, I'll probably do another meal so that he has some like variety. But like, let's just do salads today. these containers, I'm just gonna put like pre-smoothie things. That way we can just throw it into the blender and it's just ready to go. So I'm gonna put all this away and then I'm gonna put all this away and then take my oatmeal bath, and that's gonna be it for the day. Good night.
Oh, it's just another Tuesday.
I forget what day it is, but we are about to take care of these wasps that are infiltrating our house. We got one right there, and then one at the very tip of the house. All right, we're gonna let Sausage off the leash so she can go play with her cousins. All right, you gotta hold still so I can get this off you. All right, see? Should I be talking? Watching him spray the bugs from inside the car. Cause hell no. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Yeah, Today was kind of my day off because I did no streaming, I didn't make any TikToks. I'm gonna use this day to make the rest of my week go as smooth as possible because I got content after content after content after content to make. For the next 4 days, I have to stream and make, TikTok content and make vlog footage. So I'm gonna clean up the house, do the laundry. I got some vegetables still from the fridge that I need to put in the compost. Sweep, mop, just have the house clean so I don't have to do a lot of other shit other than content creation. So I follow an oncologist on TikTok and they're basically saying like apparently dishwasher pods that are covered in like the dissolvable plastic is really bad for you. Like it puts like microplastics on your dishes or something like that. Anyways, he scared me, so I got this off of TikTok Shop, which is just like unscented natural ingredient dishwasher detergent. So we're gonna see how that works, but it smells really good. It smells really clean. Honestly, it smells like raisins. So we're gonna try this instead and see how this goes. But yeah, that's all the ingredients right there. I don't know, I trust it. And this whole bag is 80 loads. Yeah, I think this was, how much was this? I think this was 20 something dollars, 30. I just wanted to show you that. I got off TikTok Shop, in case you wanted to know, or in case you wanted to try it. So I just got done streaming, made a few things on Snap. I'm trying to get more into Snapchat. Like I'm trying to post more on Snapchat. I don't know. I'm trying to be a true influencer, you know what I mean? So like giving the same amount of attention I give to TikTok to my other social platforms, So I'm gonna try to continuously post on Snapchat. I'm a little bit in a bad, first of all, because Resident Evil is very hard to play. That shit is very hard to play. I was stuck on one part for like 30 minutes. That pissed me the fuck off. And number two is I saw a TikTok. I forget the girl's name, but she spent $130,000 on like name brand stuff. Can you imagine having that money and then spending it on purses? That's a down payment on a house. More than a down payment on a house. That you can buy a house outright. The fact that there's just people, I made a TikTok about this because I was so livid. And I shouldn't be livid because like I said in the TikTok, it is their money. You know what I mean? It's their money. But the fact that people have that amount of money that could absolutely change other people's lives, like, can you imagine having that money and then like buying a house or buying a car you don't have to make payments on, or paying off your medical bills, or getting the dental work you need? They never have, like, there's people out there that simply never have to worry about that. And they have hundreds of thousands of millions of dollars to pay are just extra, just laying around, and they spend it on purses. Like, I don't know why that pisses me off the way it does. I personally don't feel like anybody should have that much money. Not when the world is the way it is. You know what I mean? It's just not fair. It's just not fair. I know the world isn't fair, and I don't expect it to be fair either. But like at the same time, it's like, damn. But I digress. We're about to eat dinner. Mr. Sir is going to buy some steaks, and I'm making the sides. He's getting off of work, so let me calm down, eat some dinner, probably drink some tea tonight. I do want to start making manifestations in my journal, so that's what I'm gonna work on. I haven't done Pilates in a while.
You did it, baby.
It's without a care, it's throwback Thursday.
All right, come on, sausage. Gonna go see your cousins. Missy, hold on. This is always the hardest part for her. She gets way too excited. Come here. Ready? And go. Go ahead, go. Girl, I was streaming and I completely forgot that I should be getting ready for
A graduation.
Mr. Sir's friend is graduating the police academy. I have no foundation, so my skin looks terrible. Here's the fit. I'm gonna put on this perfume. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, I think it's Arabic. But this stays on for days. I got this off Amazon. A perfume guru on TikTok, she recommended it, and it is the best recommendation I've ever gotten. But it's like a powdery vanilla and lime type of smell. It smells so good. So that's the look.
That's the look.
So nasty.
Nasty boy.
So nasty. It's a nasty pretzel. I'm hoping there'd be some more sugar. There's no sugar on it.
Such a waste of money. It was like $14.
This is $14?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting some sauce.
You're gonna put that thing down.
Yeah, we'll get some.
Cause I've been waiting so long, it feels like Friday week.
It's a beautiful Saturday.
Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last 2 weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination. There's one movie and I need hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
For the stream. Okay. I want to show you my new background. Real quick. Oh my goodness. I can't get my lights to sync up with my monitor for some reason. I don't know, I'll look into it, but I think it looks so cute with this background. It's like a cozy like Pokemon, like everybody's doing something different. It looks so cute. I'm adding this new like thing to my night routine. My skin looks terrible. What the fuck is going on? I'm gonna add dry brushing to my routine before like I take a bath. So basically you brush towards your heart. So like you brush up your toes, up your legs, and then, you know, to your stomach and to your chest. Above your chest, you brush down. you know, in your back and stuff. You brush towards your heart. It's supposed to like get rid of dead skin and like improve circulation and stuff like that. So yeah, adding that to my nighttime routine. I didn't bake bread this week, and I didn't do Pilates. But it's whatever. I did get a few emails to do a few promotions, so I mean that's good, and I feel like a true influencer now. The train, I love the train. We never get the train. That's crazy.
I haven't heard the train in so long.
Adding that to my nighttime routine. Let's hope next week is more productive. This week was pretty productive. It wasn't bad. I'm thinking of adding just like one thing a week, maybe. I can't do too much. I just can't. I expect a lot from myself, but I don't think I can do as much as I think I can. I don't think I can. This was a good week, and I can't wait to see you next week. Love you, bye.